Helen.
Yeah, next is tasting menu.
Yeah, filming is prohibited during the Kirin factory tour, but you're allowed to film during the tasting session. The factory tour shows you how Kirin makes their famous beers, and you get to try them at the end. There is no entry fee. Both the tour and the tasting session are free. There are 3 different types of beer to try. The Kirin Ichiban Draft, the signature beer made with the first press method. Kuronama, the jet black lager with a roasted malt flavor. And Ichiban Shibori Premium, made from the finest hop in the Tohoku region.
Hey Helen.
Hi,
Where are we today, Helen?
at the Kirin Beer Museum.
Okay.
Down it.
Okay, get on it.
Down it. Can't down that. What is it?
Like, how do you down that? Cold as well. Well, people can actually down stuff. How'd you do that? It's cold, I'm getting brain freeze. Oh, they look good.
These cheese-flavoured crackers go really well with the beers. Highly recommend them as souvenirs. You can grab some Kirin merchandise at the gift shop. There are things like t-shirts, towels, caps, coasters and beer glasses. You can walk out with the Kirin logo covered from head to toe. Let's get some sushi. Conveyor belt sushi shops are great because you can watch sushi plates whiz past and you can grab whatever you want off the conveyor belt. There's a sushi place called Mawashi Sushi Katsu inside Yokohama's Sky Building. The queue is super long there and there are stalls outside for customers to take a seat while they wait. You can't go wrong with a sushi place that's packed with locals. Apart from sushi, there are lots of other cafes and restaurants inside the Sky Building. We went to Nana's Green Tea. It's a green tea cafe with a modern twist. You can enjoy Japanese teas like matcha, hojicha and genmaicha. You can opt for hot or cold drinks. It's entirely up to you. If you didn't know already, Yokohama has its own Pokemon Center. When it's your birthday month, you can rock up with your ID at the counter and you'll get a birthday hat and a card. Isn't that nice? Another fun place to hang out is Cosmo World. It's a theme park with a massive Ferris wheel named Cosmo Clock. It used to be the world's tallest Ferris wheel in 1992.
Oh my word, I don't think I can go on that. I don't think I can. I thought it was just staying on the ground.
Hey Helen. Where are we? We're in Cosmo World, Yokohama. Yay!
Cosmo World has thrilling rides, entertaining carnival games and amusing arcades. When you feel hungry, you can stop for a snack at the food court. Ichiran, one of the well-known ramen shops in Japan. They have shops scattered all over Japan and overseas, serving piping hot bowls of tonkotsu ramen. You can easily place orders by using the ticket machine. Once you get your tickets, you will be seated in your own private booth.
Hey Helen.
Where are we?
Chinatown.
It It was freezing when we went to Chinatown. We had to keep walking around to keep ourselves warm. Walking down Chinatown felt like we went back in time. The old school decors and signs gave this place a very retro vibe. You can tell xiaolongbao is very popular around here. Almost every shop we walked past had its own version of it. You don't often come across grilled soupy dumplings, so we decided to try these green and white yaki xiaolongbaos. So that was my time in Yokohama. See you next time!